with the future internet is open service platforms. Europe's relative weakness in digital consumer markets, in web and in internet services, and notably in data platforms, is becoming a major challenge to the whole economy. In addition, users feel that proprietary platforms do not satisfy their needs. They get locked into a specific provider and have very little influence on the evaluation of the platform. On the other hand, large and complex software systems are developed through large collaborations that need a common licensing to function and to be effective. Therefore, industry-friendly open source licenses become the norm. For example, OpenAIRE Interface, Drupal, or Fireware. Open platforms give the control back to users. Open platforms enable faster innovation, facilitate interoperability, allow reuse of applications, and avoid vendor lock-in. And in addition, users can fully benefit from open innovation ecosystems of developers and of startups. Open platforms are fully in line with our digital single market objectives and will act as a key driver for the digitalization of European industry. On 23rd February, at the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, Atos, Engineering, Orange, and Telefonica announced the setup of the Fireware Foundation, showing the way forward on behalf of the much larger Fireware community. This foundation will ensure the long-term availability of Fireware for users for free, forever. Also, it will ensure that Fireware stays at the forefront of technological trends. Through easy reuse of standard and open components, development costs and market entry barriers are lowered. Such reuse of standard open component accelerates digitization of any business or any industry sector. But first, the foundation will focus on 3 important domains for Europe: making Europe's manufacturing industry base more digital, turning cities into truly smart places, and finally, managing better how we grow, process, transport, and consume the food we enjoy in Europe. Fireware is not only an open internet platform technology made in Europe, but more importantly, it's a large ecosystem of industry, startups, developers, and cities who want to put an end to closed platforms and liberate users locked in by their vendors. Fireware is people with a mission to innovate on the internet. And that is why I'm excited with the creation of the Fireware Foundation, established by European industry to promote the trend towards open service platforms. This is visible commitment of European businesses to bring more innovative services, internet services, to consumers, citizens, businesses, and to the public sector. It will contribute in making the European digital single market a reality and help innovation and entrepreneurship to thrive in the European Union. I suggest you explore how you too could join the fast-growing Fireware ecosystem, using it to innovate in your own organization. And if you are already part of the Fireware ecosystem, consider how you could increase your contribution to its growth, implementing applications and services disseminating results, attracting more users and developers.